Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Episode 247. Unlock the secrets, mastering the art of fashion sales like a pro. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast, a podcast by ebooksforfashion.com, the first Italian e-learning platform for all fashionistas or fashion entrepreneurs that they want to start or grow a fashion business. So today's episode is about mastering the art of fashion sales like a pro. Can you believe it's already October? Time flies when you are a fashion entrepreneur. At ebooksforfashion.com, we are always striving to provide you with the latest and greatest insights into the fashion world. And this October 4th, we are back with a fresh batch of tips and tricks to help you sell fashion products or services like a pro. Whether you are a fashion entrepreneur, a budding designer, or simply looking to turn your passion for fashion into a profitable venture, we've got you covered. In this edition, we'll explore various strategies for selling fashion products, including first, Wholesale Wonderland. Dive into the world of wholesale and learn how to navigate this classic selling method. Discover how to establish connections with suppliers, curate an inventory that flies off the shelves, and maximize your profits. Join a wholesale platform like Fair. Don't worry, I will put the links in the show notes so you can check all the websites, and if you are interested, you can join this kind of platforms. Learn more about how to master wholesale in one of our amazing ebooks and workshop. It's called How to Use Wholesale in Your Fashion Business, and again, you can check the link in the show notes. Then second, Dropshipping Demystified. Explore the ins and outs of dropshipping in the fashion industry. Find out how to source trendy products without holding inventory. Streamline your operations and create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Join platforms like Spocket. I love Spocket. I'm a fan of Spocket because I use the same platform in my jewelry business, Made in Art. So you can check the link in the show notes about Spocket and join this platform for all of your dropshipping operations. Even if you want to open an online boutique and you want to source dropshipping products, or if you are a designer and you want to sell your products in a dropshipping method, you can join Spocket. Learn about how to use dropshipping for your fashion business in our amazing ebook and workshop, and you can check the link in the show notes. Third, pop-up store power. Uncover the magic of pop-up stores. We all show you how to create buzz, choose the perfect location, and design an unforgettable shopping experience that leaves a lasting impression. Learn more about how to use pop-up stores to grow your fashion business. And check the link in the show notes. Fourth, affiliate marketing mastery. Learn the secrets of affiliate marketing and how it can boost your fashion sales. Discover how to partner with influencers, bloggers, and other fashion enthusiasts to promote your products effectively. If you are interested to promote our online courses or our jewelry brand, please feel free to join our affiliate programs, and you can check the link below in the show notes. There are amazing commissions. You can earn for eBooks for Fashion up to 70% commissions on selling our online courses, and for our jewelry brand up to 50% commissions for every successful referral. Fifth, Dominating marketplaces. Get the lowdown on selling your fashion products on popular online marketplaces. We'll share tips for optimizing your products listings, managing inventory, and staying competitive. Choose to sell on Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, and many more. If you are interested in expanding your knowledge about selling on marketplaces, we invite you to explore our comprehensive ebook and interactive workshop. Check the link in the show notes. You can find more information and access these valuable resources by checking the link in the show notes. And that's just the beginning. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your fashion sales game. Stay tuned for our upcoming episode with tips and tricks to start and grow and scale your fashion business. And get ready to take the fashion world by storm. As always, we value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts on the content we provide. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future episode, please don't hesitate to reach out. To your fashion success, and stay tuned for October 5th episode at the Fashion Marketing Podcast. I'll talk to you in the next episode. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now.